You play with my pet. Don't cry. Don't cry. Hey baby, don't cry. Don't cry. Your mother is coming. Don't cry. Tears. Clean it.
So, how are you all?
We are fine.
Why are you here?
Because
Yeah, please have this microphone.
because I study and I learn English because I low in English.
I'm low.
I am low in English.
You are low in English. Are you good at Hindi language?
No, I do not.
I am not.
I am not good at in Hindi language.
Okay, you are not good at Hindi language too.
Yeah.
Then why are you not improving your Hindi language and why to these English?
I when
Sit upright.
when I write Hindi, that is practice, then Sir Arodi.
Next day.
Then next day I
Forget.
I forget.
Okay. Because
Because means I kept somewhere.
okay. You keep your copies somewhere and next day
Yeah.
you don't find that, so you forget.
Yes.
Okay. So I am here to discuss with you something. I am here to share my feelings and thoughts with you. So today I am taking you as my friends. Okay, so are you my friends?
Yes.
I'm not taking you as my students, as a students of this institute, but I'm taking you all as a friends of mine. So are you good friends or bad friends of mine?
I am your good friend.
Good friends.
Yes.
Oh, that's nice. Okay. So friends, I would like to know your name first of all.
Yes. My name is Niranjan Sahu.
My name is Riyamaji.
My name is Ankita Sahu.
Your name is Chonkita Sahu. Very nice. Okay. Who misses a lot to somebody?
I miss
Yeah, give her microphone.
a lot my grandfather.
Your grandfather.
Yes,
Is your grandfather
means my-
is your grandfather no more?
No more means that he is live on different
Oh my.
village.
Okay, means he lives in other village.
Yes.
Why do you miss him? He is an old man. So
Yes,
why?
I know, but they are very good.
Oh, he is very good.
Yes.
Okay, nice. You? Do you not miss to anybody? Give her.
I miss my grandmother.
You miss your grandmother. Where is your grandmother? Where does she live? Is she alive or she is no more?
She is live.
She is alive. Alive means musician. She is
Yes.
alive. Oh, that's good. You? When you miss someone a lot, you feel good. When I miss somebody, I'm really sad that time. All the time I miss about that person. I keep thinking about that person. Like I think like what that person is doing. Okay, so now tell, how do you feel when you miss somebody a lot?
I feel like so crying because my grandfather is so hard-working man. That is why I feel like crying. So
You feel like crying.
yes,
Oh,
but
what?
I don't cry.
You don't cry. But when it is out of our control, automatically our tears start.
Yes,
So actually,
I
it also happens. It also happens with me, but not all the time.
and when I cannot control that crying, then automatically my tear is coming.
Your tears come.
Yes.
So have you ever cried by missing to somebody? Yes,
I have not
cried.
cried.
Okay. Who plays a lot? One of you three. Who plays a lot outside?
Yes, I think Subham.
Shubham plays.
Yeah.
You are a girl. Do you help your mother in cooking or not?
Yes, I help my
You help your mother.
yes.
Very small.
Okay, why do you said that he plays a lot? So why you both not play outside? Because you're a girl, that is why you don't play outside for longer period of time or what?
No,
Yeah.
no, I play with wood and small kids type
Wood
toy.
means, sorry, wood means
Wood machine, sorry, soil.
a soil. Oh,
Yes.
my goodness. You play with nature.
No, I don't play with soil and small toys. I play with my pet.
You play with your pet.
Yes.
Wow, that's great. Do you allow other people to play with your pet?
No, I don't allow.
You don't allow.
Yes.
Why?
Because my pet is private.
Oh, that is your own pet and that's very private. You don't
Yes.
let anybody to toss and play with your pet.
Yes.
That's excellent. Where do you keep your pet?
A pet on my house, and we have a shop, and when I go there, then I keep there hidely.
Oh, you hide that. So
Yes.
nice. So now listen. You have to tell. Now she is crying. Suppose she is crying because her mother beat her. So now you have to convince her not to cry. So now convince.
Don't cry, don't cry.
Will you laugh at that time?
No.
You have to be serious because she is your friend. So like, Shreya, don't cry. Yeah, what happened? Yeah, of course it happened.
Shreya, what happened? Don't cry. You play with my pet. Don't cry, don't cry. Don't cry.
Yeah, then you. Okay.
But he crying.
He or she.
But she crying and he laugh.
Yeah,
He laugh.
you should not laugh because you are crying. Show that expression in front of people. You are crying
You look this.
like that. Yes.
That is
You have to snuffle like that because you're crying, not laughing. Okay, so what? He is crying. Now you stop him. Yeah, you. Yeah, stop him not to cry.
Sad or anything.
Yes, say something.
Say something.
He's crying. Your friend is crying.
Your friend is crying. Your classmate is crying. You cannot tell anything.
Oh my God! You can't even stop him crying. Huh? Cheater.
You are cheater.
You are not a good friend of
Yes, you are cheater.
Okay, now.
I know.
Now you.
Hey baby, don't cry. Don't cry. Your mother is coming. Don't cry. Tears. Clean your tear. Clean your tear. Don't cry. Please don't cry. Please. Clean your
Yeah.
tear.
Okay. Yeah. Then just ask her. Ask him. Why are you
Why
crying?
you are crying? Can you say?
My dear friend, you
My
can.
dear friend.
No. I'm telling you. Don't laugh. Be serious and stop him not to cry. Be serious. No.
I am not smiling automatically.
No. Okay, unknowingly you are laughing, I know. Okay, but he is seriously crying. Just you have to be